How to know if a man is emotionally committed to you. Do you want to know if your man is emotionally committed to you? For most women, the feeling of being unsure of whether or not her man is truly committed to her leaves her heart in pieces. She desperately wants to know if he's there for the long run. Knowing whether or not your man is emotionally committed to you can help you make the right decisions about the future of your relationship. And most importantly, avoiding being hurt by a man who only wants to have a fling. So, if you're not sure whether or not your man is emotionally committed to you, look for the following psychological signs in this video. If your man displays most or all of these signs, it's likely that he's emotionally committed to you. Watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and comment down below "I subscribed" and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. He respects you deeply. Respect is the foundation of any great relationship, and it's especially important in a relationship where your partner cares about how you truly feel and respects your emotions. When a man is emotionally committed to you, he'll be able to listen to and understand your thoughts, values, and emotions without judgment. He also understands that everyone has different opinions and beliefs. Deep respect also means a man who's emotionally committed to you won't step on your toes or ask you to change who you are for him. He knows that you have a right to be yourself and doesn't want to hold you back from becoming everything you can be. Number 2. He misses you when you're apart. If a man is emotionally committed to you, he's not afraid to show how much he misses you when you're apart. He'll say, "I can't wait to see you again," or "I miss you so much," and he'll mean it. We all know that actions speak louder than words, and when he calls you or makes plans to see you, you will feel his genuine intentions. If your man is emotionally committed to you, he'll make every effort to spend as much time with you as possible. He won't be afraid to show his affection for you in public either. Number 3. He is reliable and consistent. According to science, what makes a relationship last is having two partners who are both reliable and consistent. When your man is emotionally committed to you, he will do everything in his power to keep his word. He won't break plans with you unless it's absolutely necessary. He'll make an effort to be there for you through thick and thin. He will also be consistent with his actions. He'll show that he cares about you in all aspects of the relationship, not just when it seems convenient or easy for him. Number 4. He is not afraid of commitment or dependency. When you're in a relationship with an emotionally committed man, he'll be more than willing to say "I love you" and really mean it. He won't feel like you're tying him down when he feels the need to express his feelings. He will also be there for you in your time of need and won't make any excuses to avoid it. And when the going gets tough, he'll be there to help you get through whatever is causing pain or difficulty in your life. And of course, he won't be afraid of commitment. He'll be willing to make your major decisions in the relationship without pressure or hesitation. Number 5. He consults with you before making big decisions. According to relationship experts, one of the biggest signs that a man is emotionally committed to you is that he'll consult with you before making important decisions. He'll value your thoughts and opinions because he knows that they're just as valid as his. And he'll be open to considering what you have to say about a situation or problem before weighing his own options. He'll also recognize that your perspective may help him to achieve better results, so he won't be afraid of asking you for advice or having the opportunity to bounce ideas off of you. Number 6. He openly and naturally expresses his feelings for you. For most men, it can be difficult to express their emotions, but when a man is emotionally committed to you, he won't have any problem opening up about his feelings for you. He'll be able to express how much he loves you without feeling insecure or afraid of how it will make him look. He won't hide behind his pride or try to avoid being vulnerable with you. He'll also be more open to talking about his emotions instead of bottling them up. Number 7. He wants to spend time with you regardless of what you're doing. When you're with a man who's emotionally committed to you, he won't care what you're doing or where you are, as long as he gets to spend time with you. He'll celebrate the little moments in life with you instead of taking them for granted. And even if it means staying up until 2 a.m., talking on the phone, or lying in bed with you watching your favorite movie for the 10th time, he'll do it. He won't hesitate to make sacrifices so that you can have a good time too. And he'll be willing to put his own wants and needs aside if they conflict with yours. Number 8. He makes the relationship a top priority. This one is crucially important. When you're in a relationship with an emotionally committed man, he'll be willing to put your relationship first above all other commitments or responsibilities that he has. Deep down inside, he will do everything in his power to make sure that you have the emotional support and intimacy that you really crave. And he won't take it for granted that you're in a relationship with him. He will try his best to meet all your needs, not just the ones that he can see or easily recognize. Number 9. He inspires the best in you. Does he support your goals and dreams? Does he challenge you to grow as a person? And does he motivate you to be your best every day? If the answer is yes, then it's likely that you're in a relationship with an emotionally committed man. He'll notice all the little things that you do for him and others, and he'll praise your efforts without being asked. He'll be your biggest cheerleader and will genuinely feel joy when you succeed in something that's important to you. Number 10. His family and friends know about your existence. When a man is truly committed to you, he won't be able to keep it a secret. His family and friends will know all about your existence regardless of how long or short the relationship has lasted. And more importantly, he's not going to hide the fact that he has you in his life. He'll proudly introduce you as his woman and will treat you like a queen when you're in public together. He won't be afraid of what other people might think if they find out about the two of you. And he won't avoid attending social functions with you or meeting your loved ones just because he's embarrassed or ashamed of you. Number 11. He makes you feel secure, safe, and loved. This is a no-brainer. If your man is emotionally committed to you, he'll always make it a top priority to ensure that you feel secure and safe in the relationship. He won't let anyone treat you badly. He won't allow other women to flirt with him or try to get his attention in your presence. He'll protect you at all costs when it comes to the relationship, and he won't take any unnecessary risks that could hurt you in the long run. Number 12. He accepts you for who you are. This is one of the most important signs that your man is emotionally committed to you. If he loves you for who you are and makes an effort to put any insecurities or doubts about yourself out of his mind, then there's a good chance that he's trying to build a lasting future with you. He'll be okay with the fact that you're not perfect and will not try to change you in any way. He won't try to control your every movement or make you feel guilty for going out with your friends instead of him. He'll appreciate all the things that make you unique and different from other women. Number 13. He never pushes you for physical intimacy. This is a big one. An emotionally committed man will demonstrate patience with you when it comes to physical intimacy. He'll never pressure you sexually, even if he's dying to make love to you. That's because he wants you to always feel comfortable and safe around him. He will also have a natural ability to read your moods and comfort you when you're not in the mood for love, even though he really wants it. And he'll never use physical intimacy as a way to manipulate your feelings or guilt trip you into staying in the relationship with him. Conclusion: if your man displays most or all of these signs, it's likely that he is emotionally committed to you. These are just some of the many ways in which a man can show his commitment and love for a woman. If you're lucky enough to have a man like this in your life, make sure that you appreciate and cherish him. He's definitely worth holding on to. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video!